Analysis of the 1970 Volkswagen 1600 variant. The 1970 Volkswagen 1600 variant, often referred to as the Type 3, stands as a testament to Volkswagen's innovative spirit during the 1960s and 1970s. This model was part of Volkswagen's efforts to diversify its lineup beyond the iconic Beetle, offering a more spacious and practical alternative for families and enthusiasts. The 1600 variant, also known as the Squareback in some markets, combined Volkswagen's renowned engineering with a versatile design, making it a popular choice among car buyers of its era. Design and aesthetics. The design of the 1970 Volkswagen 1600 variant was a departure from the round, bubbly shapes that defined the Beetle. Instead, it featured a more squared-off and angular appearance, which contributed to its distinctive look. The front of the vehicle was characterized by a simple, yet elegant grille and round headlamps that maintained a classic Volkswagen aesthetic. The rear of the variant was perhaps its most defining feature, with a wagon-like design that offered substantial cargo space and a practical layout for everyday use. Interior and comfort. Inside, the 1600 variant provided a spacious and functional cabin. The interior was designed with simplicity and practicality in mind, featuring durable materials that could withstand the rigors of daily use. The seating arrangement was comfortable, with enough room for a family of 4 or 5. The dashboard layout was straightforward, with easy-to-read gauges and controls that were well within reach of the driver. The cargo area, accessible through the rear hatch, was generous for its time, making the variant an excellent choice for those needing extra space for luggage, groceries, or other items. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 1970 Volkswagen 1600 variant was powered by a 1.6-liter flat-4 engine, known for its reliability and ease of maintenance. This air-cooled engine produced around 65 horsepower, which, while modest by today's standards, was adequate for the vehicle's intended purpose. The engine was paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, providing a driving experience that was engaging and enjoyable. The variant's rear engine layout contributed to its balanced handling and stability on the road, making it a pleasant car to drive both in urban environments and on longer journeys. Driving experience. Driving the 1600 variant was a unique experience, characterized by its smooth ride and predictable handling. The vehicle's suspension system, featuring independent rear suspension, provided a comfortable ride even on less-than-perfect roads. The steering was responsive, and the car's compact dimensions made it easy to maneuver through tight city streets and crowded parking lots. The flat-4 engine delivered a distinctive exhaust note, adding to the overall charm of the driving experience. While not a performance car by any means, the variant offered a level of driving enjoyment that appealed to a wide range of drivers. Historical significance. The 1970 Volkswagen 1600 variant holds a significant place in automotive history. It represented Volkswagen's efforts to expand its lineup and appeal to a broader audience. The variant, along with other Type 3 models, helped solidify Volkswagen's reputation for building reliable and versatile vehicles that could meet the needs of a diverse customer base. The Type 3 success also paved the way for future models, including the Type 4 and later front-engine, water-cooled vehicles that would become staples of the Volkswagen brand. Conclusion. In summary, the 1970 Volkswagen 1600 variant is a classic vehicle that embodies the spirit of innovation and practicality that defined Volkswagen during its heyday. With its distinctive design, reliable performance, and versatile nature, the variant remains a beloved classic that continues to be appreciated by car enthusiasts around the world. Its place in automotive history is well-deserved, and its legacy as a practical and enjoyable vehicle lives on.